Man, I cannot believe Optimus Prime gave me a punishment day all because I escaped from prison. And now he's making me miss out on the 4th of July. Now what am I gonna do? Oh wait, I have an idea. Since Optimus Prime is hosting a 4th of July party, I'm gonna steal the fireworks and launch them into oncoming traffic. Ha ha ha. But first, I need to get the fireworks from the shed. Hey, Optimus!
What is it, Sentinel?
Can I go out for a walk for a little bit?
Go ahead, Sentinel, but stay out of trouble, you hear me?
Okay, Optimus. Ha ha ha. Little does Optimus Prime know, I'm about to steal his fireworks and launch them into oncoming traffic. Hehehe. Alright, there are the box of fireworks. Now I better grab these and get out of here before Optimus catches me.
When Sentinel Prime found a road,
This intersection looks perfect to set off some fireworks. But before I do so, I need to find somewhere to hide so I can launch them and not get caught for it. Alright, this dumpster is the perfect hiding spot. Now nobody's gonna see me throw fireworks at their cars. Now that I'm all set up, it's time to wait.
15 minutes later.
Alright, here comes the first car. Happy 4th of July, loser! Oh my god. I cannot believe that red Porsche spun out of control and slammed right into that tree. But wait, that crash almost reminded me of something that happened in 2013. Oh well, let's continue throwing more fireworks at more cars, shall we?
A few more minutes later.
Would you look at that? Here comes another vehicle. And this one's a speeder. I'm gonna take care of this one. Watch the speed limit, Dingleberry. I cannot believe that Nissan GTR flipped over. Well, guess what, Mr. Nissan driver? Looks like your insurance premiums are going through the roof. Now, all I gotta do is wait for more cars to come.
When more vehicles began to arrive.
Alright, here comes another car. Happy 4th of July, loser.
Man, this sure is a very nice day to take a drive.
Wait a minute. Why does that car look familiar? Uh-oh, that's Sideswipe.
Holy dear Primus, that was a very nasty pileup. I wonder what caused it. Wait a minute. I saw fireworks going off before that UPS truck spun out of control. Something's telling me that somebody must have threw fireworks into traffic when there were cars coming. Might as well go investigate to see who did it. What the? Sentinel Prime, what are you doing here? And why is there a box of open fireworks right next to you? Wait a minute. Were you using fireworks to cause vehicles to crash? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes, Sideswipe, I was.
Sentinel Prime, I literally cannot believe you are doing something extremely reckless. And also, you nearly made me crash. That's it. I'm taking you home to Optimus Prime right now. So come on.
Uh-oh.
When Sentinel and Sideswipe got back to Optimus Prime's house,
Hey Optimus, guess what I caught Sentinel Prime doing? What did you do, Sideswipe? Sentinel, get over here right now. Sentinel, you want to tell Optimus what I caught you doing?
No, Sideswipe, I am not going to tell him.
Alright, then I'll tell him. Well, Optimus, I caught Sentinel throwing fireworks into oncoming traffic. Did you really? Yes, I did. Sentinel Prime, how dare you throw fireworks into oncoming traffic? You know very well what you did was reckless endangerment. That's it. You are grounded for 5 weeks. Now go in your room and do not come out till I say.
Fine, screw you, Optimus, and screw you, Sideswipe.
Oh, and don't you dare back talk us either.